You guys that know I just made the that video, but we're doing this video again. So you see that? Watch. I'm gonna lay this up here. It's in there because this isn't a long video. I'm gonna show a secret. So it's actually in there. See, it's in. Should be, yeah, there it is right here. So you know when you think I'm doing this like forever. I'm really just trying to. But I was doing that because it was going in place. So just hog. And that's pretty much the secret. But you need a credit card. That doesn't have to be this credit card. It could be anything. It could probably even be a card. This is what you could do. And this is what real magicians can do. These are what real magicians can do. Woo! Let me show the secret. Woo! That's it.